Computer networks. Introduction. A computer network is a group of computers that use a set of common communication protocol over digital interconnection for the purpose of sharing resources located on or provided by the network nodes. Types of networks: pan area network or personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network or MAN, wide area network or WAN. Topics to be covered in this subject: network fundamental and physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, application layer, and network security. This is the scenario of OSI model and TCP/IP model of network. Network fundamental and physical layer. An interconnection of multiple devices, also known as hosts, that are connected using multiple paths for the purpose of sending or receiving data, media. Computer network can also include multiple devices or medium which help in communication between two different devices. These are called as network devices, such as routers, switches, hubs, and bridges. The layout arrangement of different devices in network common example include bus topology, star topology, mesh topology, ring topology, and data link layer. Framing. Frames are the unit of digital transmission, particularly in computer network and telecommunication. MAC address, a unique 48-bit hardware number of computer which is embedded into network card known as network interface card. During the time of manufacturing, MAC address is also known as physical address of the networking device. Circuit switching and packet switching. In circuit switching, there are three phases: connection establishment, data transfer, connection released. In packet switching, directly data transfer takes place. Services of data link layer: framing and link access, reliable delivery, flow control, error detection, error correction, half duplex and full duplex. Wireless network. Wi-Fi is also known as IEEE standard 802.11. Several schemes: CSMA-CD, RTS, CTS mode, and CSMA-CA is used for collision detection mechanism. Network layer. IP addressing. IP addressing is 32-bit unique address having information about how to reach a specific host, especially outside the LAN. There are two types of IP address: IPv4 and IPv6. Fragmentation. Fragmentation is done by the network layer when the maximum size of the datagram is greater than maximum size of the data that can be held in a frame. It's also called as maximum transmission unit, MTU. Routing. Routing is a process which is performed to deliver the packet by choosing an optimal path from one network to another. Several routing protocols are link state, distance vector, OSPF, RIP, ARP, RARP, and IPsec, etc. Transport layer. Congestion control, a state occurring in network layer when the message traffic is so heavy that it slows down network response time. Leaky bucket algorithm and token bucket algorithm are used for congestion control. TCP and UDP, Transmission Control Protocol. TCP is a connection-oriented protocol, while User Datagram Protocol, UDP, is the datagram-oriented protocol. TCP is used by HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, and Telnet. UDP is used by DNS, DHCP, TFTP, SNMP, RIP, or VoIP. Three-way handshaking in TCP. Three segments are exchanged between sender and receiver for a reliable TCP connection establishment. Error control. TCP protocol has method for finding out corrupted segment, missing segment, out of order segments, and duplicate segments. Application layer. Several application layer protocol. Telnet. Telnet stands for telecommunication network. It helps in terminal emulation. It allows Telnet client to access the resources of the Telnet server. It is used for managing the files on the internet. FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol that actually allows us to transfer the files. SMTP. It stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is the part of TCP/IP protocol using a process called store and forward. SMTP moves your email on and across network. DNS. It stands for Domain Name System. Every time you use a domain name server, therefore a DNS service must translate the name into the corresponding IP address. DHCP. It stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It gives IP address to the host. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. When user use browser and request for query to web server, that time HTTP is used. Thank you for watching.